Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialu.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, did you know that you could add hashtags on YouTube videos? Maybe you've seen them, but what are the benefits? Why should we care about hashtags? And then how can we add hashtags to our videos? Let's talk about that inside this video. Alright, so here we are. This is my YouTube channel, and first of all I want to show you what those hashtags look like. You may have seen some of them. So here is one of my own videos, and most likely you're gonna see the hashtags, and I believe YouTube shows only 3 hashtags for now on above the title of your video, just like this. So what are the benefits? The benefit really is the biggest one, the discoverability. Here is another way for you to get found on YouTube if you use the right hashtags on your videos. So for example, let's say, so I'm gonna go back to home, and let's say I'm into social media. So I'll just search for social media, and now it's gonna show me video content that are using those hashtags that I just searched for, right? So I know I talk a lot about Instagram stories recently, so let's search for Instagram stories. And here is a video that comes up. And look at that. The reason this video came up because Alex Tubi, she's using hashtag Instagram stories, right? So what if I search without the hashtag? So Instagram stories. So check this out. Now my search results are different. So here's the the biggest benefit. If you're using the right hashtags on your YouTube video, it's a way for you to get found, to attract more audience, more subscribers, more viewers to your YouTube channel. Now let's look at how to do it, and it's actually very simple. So when you are creating your videos or publishing your videos on YouTube, all you have to do is anywhere in the description section, so add the hashtag. So for example, right here, so let's see if I do the edit video. There we are. So in the description, you can add the hashtags. Basically, it seems like pretty much anywhere, on the top, at the bottom, it doesn't matter, but it's only gonna show you 3 hashtags. And I believe YouTube, they said if you put more than 15, they may not show any hashtag. And to me, more than 15, if you're putting a lot of hashtag, it's just spamming. So I would say pick 2 or 3 that are relevant to your video content and also what you think your audience is searching for, and then use those hashtags in your YouTube video. That's it for this video. Now make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about marketing hacks, experiments, tools, and tactics, so you can grow your business by using some of these experiments and hacks. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification when I release the next video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.